Media guy.
Oh, accident.
Ooh.
Jesus Christ!
And just glanced over, noticed this guy sitting in a blue Audi, and he was smoking some drugs off a piece of foil.
And it just bugged me, so I called the police station. I didn't call 911, I just called the police station. I mean, they never show up anyway. It was just kind of a sort of weird event, I guess. Well, they actually showed up. Well, on the other side of him was a chick in like a brown SUV, had her window down, and they were chatting. So I looked over at them while the cops were coming through, and she got startled, and you can see her backing out right now, and that's because she saw the cops. It's not because she's leaving, by the way. And the kid in the blue car right next to me, look what he does. He just splits, runs right into her, hitting around right in front of him, and he is hauling ass, going through a one-way entrance. Goes right out onto 320th and splits. You can hear him all the way down the street. And that cop, I thought he was just going to go after him, and he just pulls over. I'm like, what's happening here? And then she just like waves at the cop, and then he walks up their window, and they have a little conversation. You know, like nothing. Like her bumper, you can see is like ripped off. She was obviously with him and said, oh, it's fine, obviously. And that's what they told me too, because I chatted with him for a second. Basically said, oh, well, she said she didn't want to press charges, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like, man, I mean, I told him, I was like, dude, that was hard to watch, dude. Like, he just sped away. I was like, I can't believe you guys didn't chase him. And they were just kind of like, yeah, well, you know, I just kind of stood there.
Come on, do something stupid, dumb. Come on, dipshit. Give me something to laugh about. Be dumb. Make my night. Dude. I'm like seriously confused. Here we go with it again. Like, dude, if you're going to just pass him, just do it. Quit being... Come to a red light. Things could get interesting. He's gonna fucking gun it, I bet you. Gun it like the you are. Come on.
It is a cop.
Go, pull over. He's gonna get him. He's